Hi beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Racnna Beauty. I'm a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in FCT, Nigeria. This video is all about how to cornrow. It's a step-by-step beginner-friendly tutorial on how to cornrow your hair by yourself. Without any further ado, please let's get started. I'm coming straight from the shower. Already washed my hair after I carried a Bob Marley crochet hair for a month plus. So I'm going to start off by parting my hair from the center of my head into two, like so. As a beginner, do not worry when you are doing your cornrow and the lines of your parting is not that straight. Never to worry. The more you practice it, the perfect you become. So I'm cutting the hair like so. I'm going to fold the half part of the hair like so, then start with the remaining half part. So I'm starting by cutting the small amount of my hair like so. I'm gonna do like 12 cornrows here, 6 for the half part, 6 for the other half parts, making it 12 cornrows. So I'm going to fold the remaining like so. Then I'm going to start up with the one I part first. So using this hair cream from El Glitter's Hair Wonder, I'm going to cream my lines like so. When you are doing a cornrow, there are 3 of your fingers that are very important in braiding it. So take note of these 3 fingers: your thumb, your index, and your middle finger. Your middle will go down, then your index finger will be at the top, then your thumb will be the one parting the hair for you while you are braiding it. Each finger go into each other while you are braiding your cornrows. It's going into each other in form of X like so. I'm repeating the process till I achieve all the 12 cornrows that I have in mind of braiding. Like I have said earlier, 3 fingers are needed in cornrow. Your index finger, middle finger and your thumb, they go into each other like so. When you are doing your cornrow, you pick like 3 little hair from your front hair with your 3 fingers, then you let each finger go into each other like so. You repeat the process till you are done with the cornrow. Yeah guys, this is the end of the video. This is the final look. So guys, if this video is helpful, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll be in the comment section to reply to all your comments. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, it's free guys. Let's grow together as well as let's learn something together. Till my next video guys, I will see you all very very soon. Stay beautiful, stay elegant always. Bye guys.